Baldi's Basics, a 90s game made by now missing John Nullington. The game was easy for younger kids with math equations and a family-friendly competitive mode, though this morning, John was found lost after supposedly going missing with Jim's father. As far as anyone knows, John is still somewhere in the woods or worse. Contact us at 3 News if you have any details whatsoever.
Well, you actually believe this guy, man. Just listen to me. I'm not John. I'm just not John. Okay, again, please don't bring that up to me. But, it would be absurd if I was trapped in the game, but I'm not. Okay, I'm just not. But trust me. Stop playing the game.